Okay, so today we are going to see how to do EOD backfill. You can see we have selected few symbols, total 8 symbols in our Datafeed software. So there are few future symbols. Future symbols are the one which are having minus capital I in their end. Okay, so these are future symbols and these are catch symbols. If we look at the AMI broker, so this is our daily chart and there are only couple of candles in the future and the catch symbols. Okay, so let's open our Datafeed software, click EOD. We have three options: recent, current year and past years, and then we have feeds: cash, future, commodity, spot, etc. So if you are doing the EOD first time, you can click on past years EOD, select whatever you want. Let's say we want to do it for cash, and then press backfill. So you can see the backfill has started, and depending on your machine, internet and machine computing power, the backfill is going to be done. So here you can see backfill done. Fine. So you can see we have now lots of daily data for the symbol is ABB, ACC, ABB and all the others. Fine. Similar way, click on EOD and we want current year, cash and backfill. So it is done now. So now we have the complete EOD of cash. Similarly, if you want for the future, you can click on EOD. Let me show you. We don't have future backfill right now. See, only few candles are there. So EOD, then past years, because this is first time we are doing EOD backfill, then future and backfill. Backfill done because we have a very fast machine, it is done. And then again backfill, current year, future, backfill done. So now we have the complete backfill of symbols which we have on the right side, and that has been done in our AMI broker. So on our machine the backfill was quite fast because we are having a 100 Mbps internet connection and a very powerful machine. So on your machine it might take some time, so just follow this process. And since we are having a registered copy of the AMI broker, so whenever we start the AMI broker again, so it will be having the data which we just downloaded. Fine. So if we go on the daily chart, you can see. So in case you are having unregistered version of the AMI broker, you have to download the data every time you want to use it, or better you can buy a registered version of AMI broker, or you can look for the alternatives. Okay, thank you very much. Bye bye.